Hey guys, welcome back to another video from the channel. And as you can see right in front of me, I have two beautiful boxes and they have a special item inside of them. So both of these are edge bevelers from the company Yorkshine that I've recently purchased, and I thought of making a quick video showing you guys how the tool is and just sharing some information about it. And these bevelers come in plastic outer packaging like these, shrink wrapped. I have opened them, and this is not an unboxing video because I had to unbox them and see if the items that I had ordered for were there. So this is more like a unboxing experience for you guys, but I've already seen how the tool is and I've also used them quite a bit. So I have two boxes here. Both of them are bevelers but are of different sizes. I've got the smallest size available, which is size 0, and the next size available, which is size 1. And this also has another 3 more options, which is 2, 3 and 4. So if you're interested in those, you can check them out. And let's talk about the outer box for this beveler. I'll give you a quick close-up before I unbox it. So this is a black textured box. It's got this canvas like feel. It's really good. It feels really premium as well, and it's got the brand name as Yorkshine, and below that it says handmade, and there's a signature as well. And it's got the name of the tool, beveler, and the type, which is round, and something else written below that, which I do not know. And right below that it's mentioned as M390, although it's might not be clearly visible on the camera, but it says M390. That's the type of steel that's used for the beveler, and the last thing that's mentioned is the size, which is 0. So when we look at this one, it's the same information, but the size says 1. So I've got two sizes, size 0 and size 1. So let's do the unboxing of this. So it's all black packaging with the black foam as well, really cut out to the shape of the tool, which I really like. And there's the tool itself. So let me move them aside, and here's a tool. Let me give you a close-up of how this looks. So here's a close-up of the tool, and it's really well made. It's very premium. And here, let me try to show this to you guys. So here we see the brand's name, Yorkshire, and it says handmade, and right below that we see the type of steel. It says M390, and also the size of beveler, which is 0. And of course we've got the brand logo as well. And this is how it looks like, and it's a really good tool. And behind we've got the branding as well, and these are brass caps, which is a really good addition. And this is a walnut handle, and the steel that's used is M390. You also get another type of steel that's used, which is DC53. Although I did not get too in depth into knowing what these types of steels are, but going by the little research that I did, both of them had their own strengths and weaknesses, and the D53 steel was a bit more expensive than this, and this already is really expensive, so I just opted for this. And I also reached out to a leather craftsman who I had seen using this on Instagram, so I'd messaged them just to see what their impression of the tool was and if it's good or anything as such. And they gave a really positive response, so I just went ahead with this. And this is how the tool looks like, and it's got this really nice groove, and it's curved as well, which is quite comfortable when you hold it, and it naturally sits where it has to sit in your hand, and it brings in a ease when you try to bevel something. And the groove on the back side as well. Let me unbox the other one as well, and let me show you both side by side. So the size 0 beveler removes about 0.6 millimeters worth of leather from the edge, while size 1 removes about 1 millimeter worth of leather from the edge. I'll also make a video of me using these two tools just to show you how it works with different kinds of leather that I have available. I have both chrome and vegetable tanned, so I'll just show you guys an example as to how it works. And let me know what you guys think about these two tools in the comments. And if you found this interesting, please do leave a like on the video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Take care.